July 22nd, 2012, 1:30 p.m. Harley, Brittany's new puppy. Harley, this is Harley. She's beautiful. She's an Australian Shepherd, you said? Harley, aren't you the sweetest puppy ever? Except for Mauer, he was a sweet puppy. Harley, Andrea, Brittany, and her new daughter. Make her come back there and sit so I can get her in. Harley, sit. Harley, sit. Good girl, Harley. You're so sweet. She's awesome. I think you better get her some water, though. She's, like, panting to death.
She was chugging water earlier.
Does she have shots or anything? She's going to be expensive to start out with, you know.
Not with the vet that I go to.
I put almost $1,000 into Mauer before I had to give him away.
Do what you gotta do. Our damn animals. Concerned about it. Dr. Mike's awesome.
You're going to have to get her registered.
I can get her papers too. She's a purebred.
Yeah, well, that's good. Harley! Harley! Harley!
Yeah, I love that.
Harley, sweetheart. Oh, you're so sweet. Sit down. Sit down. Sit. Sit! Losing my voice. I really gotta quit smoking.
You always say that.
I don't want to quit smoking, though. That's the problem.
Me neither. But I don't even say I'm gonna quit.
It's hard to kick an addiction when you don't give a shit and you want to just keep doing it.
Hi, baby. She thinks she's a lap dog.
She would be if she lived here.
Oh no, she will be at our house.
I love her. I love her. Harley, I love you. Oh, so sweet, Harley. Say bye-bye. Your paw. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Thank you for visiting.